So we're in the Fast Pass queue, flight passage. We've actually never been in the standby line.
Don't tell people that.
Sorry.
I'm excited for nighttime.
Oh. They have the technology with the drone. Why can't you just do like a Banshee drone and have it fly in?
Yeah. We're listening to the waterfall.
I know. I think you already went pee. I think so too. Yeah, because they got the fluorescent lights. The black lights right here.
Oh, yeah? So at nighttime I could do it.
Choo choo choo. I'm number one.
You're two.
Prepare systems for the next group. All systems engaged.
Oh, that's so cool how it's motion sensor.
Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an Avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. How this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Navi. They're created by blending human DNA and Navi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. Over a generation ago, this enormous company called the RDA created a lot of damage to the area through their bad mining practices and conflicts with the Navi. Just like on Earth, it can take decades for ecosystems to recover. One way to understand what's going on with an ecosystem is to study what are called keystone species. These are animals like tigers, jaguars, seals. The Banshee is one of these important animals. Dr. Ogden is the foremost expert on studying the Ikron and has spent years researching them. Unfortunately, Banshees live high in rookeries and humans can't get anywhere near them without becoming their lunch. But the Navi and avatars can. In fact, the Navi have been riding on the backs of Banshees since their earliest history. Thanks to science, avatars can ride on Banshees too. That's why you're linking to an avatar. It was Dr. Ogden who restarted the Avatar program. It's because of her that you're able to go through this rite of passage today. Pandora is a breathtaking natural world. I cannot wait for you guys to see it for yourselves. So, let's get ready for our next... Sampling?
I'm on it.
Okay, first we need to find a compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. Once we do that, you'll be able to link to that avatar and fly. Help us out and move around a bit. All Almost. Yes, got him. Now, let's find you your avatar matches. All right, you've all been matched with avatars. Looks like they're ready for you in the next room.
You can feel the breathing and the flapping of the wings. It's really cool.
Yeah, I think they changed it because before you could just feel it breathing a little bit. But I think now you can hear it more and then feel the wings.
There's also a disclaimer that they give out now. So if you're motion sickness or if you're afraid of heights, they don't want you to go on it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, no, it's still one of the best rides I think Disney's ever done.
Yeah, it's a really good one. Ooh, where are we going next?
We're going to go see Chip and Dale, dressed as a dinosaur. And then we're going to go do the safari. We'll probably eat dinner.
Oh, then we're coming back here at night.
Yeah. And then we're doing a nighttime thing of this flight passage.
And then we'll show you guys, because they repainted the ground. So it'll probably look a lot better at nighttime. And I get to wear my ears for a little bit.
Yeah. They got a little heavy.
Yeah, they're off now.
You're a dinosaur. You know, this is just a Dinoland PSA. Watch out for those shooting stars, people. Yeah. I'm sure that's what they originally labeled the comment. Just saying.
Pretty girls are really in there waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. In my phone, they only just keep up. Yeah, it's only, come on, put your pinky
Dinos, sweet.
move. What you trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air.
We'll do it when it's darker too. I'll conserve the batteries. Here's where we ate over there.
And right over here is where we ate at for lunch. Okay, so this is where we went to get our drink.
The night blossom.
It's called Pongu Pongu.
We got the night blossom and then the pineapple lumpia.
And here's the menu. You can see it. Just remember the droid
Droid.
thing. I don't know what it's called.
Brent, it's on there. You can't take it off.
Yeah, you can.
No, you can't.
So she got this, the Night Blossom. They also have an alcoholic one.
And then we got this.
And then the lumpia.
They have a souvenir cup too. And it has like a light up seed thing.
Yeah. It's been a long 3 days.
Well, we're going to Magic Kingdom tonight for the magic hour. I'm pretty sure we said that already.
She got scared that time. But yeah.
Like the thing about going is like
So
How pretty though, like, so cool.